In this video, I'm going to show you how to add ranking questions in Google Forms. Let's launch the Google Chrome web browser. In the top right corner, click on the grid icon. From the drop-down menu, click on Forms. Let's take a blank form. Ranking fields allow users to rank a set of items in order of their preference. They can be useful for collecting feedback or for making decisions based on your form respondents' opinions. Unfortunately, Google Forms doesn't have a dedicated ranking field. But if you're willing to get a little crafty, you can build a makeshift one yourself. First, add a title for your form. If you want to add a description, click on the Description section and add your description. Now add your question to the form. In this case, we're asking people to rank all the Avengers movies from best to worst. Once you've written your question and description, head to the Answer section. Click on the Question Type menu. In the pop-up, select the Multiple Choice grid. Now you will see two sections for the question. One is for rows, and the other is for columns. This is where you'll add the options for your ranking question. Now it's time to sort out what goes in the rows and what goes in the columns. This part can be a little tricky. Add all the items you're ranking in the rows. For our survey, that means listing each Avengers movie as its own row. Your columns, on the other hand, are for the ranking options. We've listed 6 movies, so we'll add 6 points. But you could also use descriptors like most favorite or truly terrible instead of numbers. Now we just have to adjust a few settings to make sure our makeshift ranking question works. Toggle on the Require Response in each row switch at the bottom of the question field. This ensures respondents can't skip ranking any item. Next, we need to make sure that every ranking can only be paired with one answer. Otherwise, every movie could be ranked number 1. Click on the 3-dot icon. Now, click on Limit to 1 response per column. You've made your ranking question in Google Forms. Now, click the eye icon to preview your form and make sure it looks good before sharing it with your friends and colleagues. Here you can see that we have successfully created a ranking question in Google Forms. Now, go back and click on Publish to publish your form. By following these steps, you can easily create a ranking question in Google Forms.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.